Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So it is Saturday and I was going to do a cast iron Canteen Cup cooking video today, maybe in the woods, but you know, stuff happened. Mainly my camera fell, so I'm going to do something here at home. Plan B, so I'm gonna make lunch. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Junk out of my way. A little bit of heat. I'm gonna melt some bacon grease. I feel like I bought too many Brussels sprouts to go with cast iron Wednesday. So I'm gonna probably heat up half of these, or I'll bake up half of these and then I'll do the other half tonight for tonight's video. So the last time I made Brussels sprouts, I didn't care for the outer leaves. They were kind of just like really hard and wasn't really digging it. So just gonna cut these into quarters. These are still kind of falling off. I don't know what I actually don't cook these that often, so I don't know if that's a normal thing or. Just remembered I was out of garlic, so oh well. Put them in the oven. I actually don't know if this meal has a name. Just something I came up with one day. I'm gonna boil a potato. So just cut them up into pieces. And of course, salt your water. Alright, potatoes are gonna boil. Pan's on for ground beef. I don't actually have a name for this, like I said, but I got the idea for like, it's like a loaded baked potato, but it's not a baked potato. I actually bought just a little bit of ground beef for cast iron Wednesday, so. Or not cast iron Wednesday. Canteen Cup cooking. Daggum. First you wanna season as it cooks. I'm going to go ahead and throw in half a jalapeno. Give it a little kick. If you also want to add onions, bell peppers, it's all good. Make it to your taste. I'm not adding this vile weed, which is onion, to any of my dishes. Check these potatoes. Nope, not even close. Just use a little skewer. Check your spuds. Ground beef frying up nicely. Of course, I'm going to season it too, so gotta drain off all the fat. I got the 80-20, so. Alright, so I drained off most of the fat. Got a little bit in there still, but that's alright, gives us something. Also lowered the temperature, so I got some chili powder. I got some cumin here. I'm just eyeballing, I'm not really measuring. I'd say quarter teaspoon each, depending on your taste. If you like it a little bit more, you can always add a little bit more. I might get a little bit too much chili powder in there too. And now it's dry because it's add just a little bit of water. Maybe what, tablespoon of water? If that. This is going to cook off anyway. Oh, and I also need, it's not a loaded baked potato without the best ingredient. That would be bacon. This is bacon bits I cooked off yesterday for my eggs in the morning. Throw some bacon in the back of the pan. Alright, check those studs again. Close. Really close, actually. Yeah, really close. Which is fine, because it's giving me a chance to let this meat stir the bacon in. And I'm going to pull this together in the center. And then kill the heat. And cheese it. Just like that. And just let that melt over the top. Brussels sprouts are done. Checking these. Yep, clean poke. So they are done. And once they're drained, I just put them back in the pan. Let that residual heat cook off that steam. I don't need the lid anymore. Alright, plate it up. So we got your potato. And you got this beefy, cheesy mix. Then I got some sour cream here. Top it off. Now if you want, you can throw on some green onions or chives if you want to ruin it. Here's how she looks. Brussels sprouts came out kind of interesting. And they're nice and roasted though. See the color on them. I did them for $3.25 for about 20 minutes. Alrighty. So there you go. That's lunch. I got sour cream everywhere, but I didn't even taste the meat yet. Did a real nice, got that flavor of the seasonings, plus the jalapeno. kind of potato. Wow. Yeah, that's really good. Brussels sprouts came out good too. Man, I'm gonna sit down and eat this, and I will catch you guys. Alright, well, truth be told, it's been several hours. I've been vegging on YouTube, but you know, I cleaned that plate. That was actually really good and simple too. You know, also not expensive. The potatoes cheap. Meat was, you know, only a quarter pound or only a third of a pound, so it wasn't very expensive. Cheap ingredients, a hell of a lot cheaper than eating out. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. We'll catch you in the next one.